Hello everyone, I'm Zara Fatima. Welcome back to my channel. Students, this video is for Osmania University MBA Semester 1 students, and in this video I'm sharing with you the subject MOB Management and Organizational Behavior 100% pass important questions for the upcoming examination February 2025. So let's see what are the important questions. So watch the video with full concentration. Students, on screen you can see the subject management and organizational behavior. Unit 1 short questions. First is write a note on 3D model of management behavior. Very important question. Define management, explain various functions of its. Very important. Scientific management, management typology, management process. Management process is a very important question. So students, these are the 5 important short questions from unit 1, and in this video I covered all the important questions from unit 1 to unit 5. Short questions as well as long questions you will find in this video only. And students, on my YouTube channel, important questions for the subject economics for management, for that one video I already uploaded, so please visit there, see the videos and start your preparation from that questions, because whatever questions I shared in that video, that questions are 100% important for your upcoming examination, and whatever questions I am sharing in this video, that questions also very important for your upcoming examination. So students, start your preparation from these questions and share this video with all your friends also, so that it helps to you and your friends for the preparation and getting maximum marks in your examination. Now unit 1 long questions. Under that, define management, explain its process, features, important and functions. This question is 100% important. Then next is explain the Henry Fayol principles of management. Very important question. Write a note on 3D models of management behavior. Important question. Explain Hawthorne experiment and their outcomes in detail. So in unit 1 long questions I am sharing with you only 4 questions. So from these 4, any 2 definitely will come in your upcoming examination. Question number 1 is 100% important. Define management, explain its features, process, importance and functions. It's very important. Definitely this question will come in your examination. And Henry Fayol principles of management is also very important. And write a note on 3D models. That question is also very important. Now unit 2 short questions. First is quality of work life, QWL. Very important question. Organizational design, quality circle, very important. Matrix structure, this is also very important. Bounded rationality, very important. So total 5 questions I am sharing with you in unit 2 short. Now unit 2 long questions. What is decision making under certainty and uncertainty? Also explain its characteristics. Define organization design, explain basic and advanced model of organizational design. Very important. Question number 1 is also important and 2 is also very important. Third, define quality of work life. What are the objectives? How quality of work life can be measured? Very important, 100% important. What is conflict? Explain the strategies to resolve it. And what is conflict? Maybe you will get in short bit also. Explain the various approaches to organization structure. Very important. So total 5 questions I am sharing with you for unit 2 long questions. Now unit 3 short questions. First is personality traits. Very important. Johari window. Very important. Organizational behavior is also very important. Define perception. What is motivation? Conflict. Conflict is very important. So this conflict question maybe you will get in short bit also, or maybe you will get in long also. So these are the 6 questions from unit 3 short questions. Very important questions. So students, start your preparation from these questions, because these questions are very important. Now unit 3 long questions. First is what is organizational behavior, OB, and discuss various levels of OB, organizational behavior. 100% important question. Define motivation, present a comparison, Maslow's need hierarchy theory and Herzberg two-factor theory. Very important. Explain the concept of perception, its nature and importance. Very important question. Explain cognitive dissonance with its condition. So these four questions are very important for unit 3 long questions. From these four questions, question number 1, 2 and 3 are 100% important. So maybe from these three questions, any two questions you will get in your examination. Now unit 4 short questions. First is group dynamic, important question. Managerial grid, very important. Goal theory, very important. Define conflict. Define leadership and its different styles. So students, these are the important short questions from unit 4. From these questions, question number 1 group dynamic is very important. Question number 3 is also very important, goal theory. And question number 4 define conflict, that is also very important. And question, unit 4 long question, define conflict, distinguish between intrapersonal and interpersonal conflicts. What are the strategies to resolve conflict? Very important. Define leadership and explain various behavioral approaches to leadership. Explain. Write about room decision tree approach to leadership. Very important. Then discuss the measures taken by employees to maintain work-life balance in organization. Very important. Question number 1 is very important. Question number 2 is also very important. And 3 is also very important. And question number 4 is also very important. So these 4 questions are very important for long unit 4 questions. Unit 4 long questions. So these 4 questions are very important. So start your preparation from these questions. And like and share the videos with all your friends also, and stay connected with us, because very soon I'm going to upload the videos for other subjects also. Unit 5 short questions, organizational culture, very important. Define stress management, very important. Organizational development, very important. Organization change and communication is very important. So these are the important questions, short questions from unit 5. Subject organizational behavior and management. Now long questions, unit 5. Explain about stress management, discuss the factors responsible for creation of stress in employees, suggest measures to maintain stress. Very important. Define communication, explain the communication process and the barriers to communication. Very important. From these two questions, any two or any one definitely will come in the examination. What is organizational culture? State the factors that influence the organizational culture. Very important. And organizational culture is important for short question also. Explain about learning organization and their objectives. Very important. So students, like and share the videos with all your friends. And if you are new to my channel, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe the channel. Stay connected with us. Thanks for watching the video.